Every day, trillions of dollars move through the world's financial markets. Every day, trillions of dollars move through the world's financial markets. Stocks rise, bonds fall, currencies fluctuate, commodities surge, and cryptocurrencies swing wildly. Most people assume these movements happen because of a single news headline or a major event. But the truth is far more fascinating. Behind every rally, every crash, and every period of uncertainty are powerful forces constantly shaping the decisions of investors, institutions, governments, and businesses. The surprising part? Many of the factors that move markets are invisible to the average investor until it's too late. Today, we're uncovering the hidden forces that truly drive financial markets and why understanding them could completely change the way you invest. Imagine standing on a beach watching waves crash against the shore. To most people, each wave appears random, but every wave is influenced by deeper forces beneath the surface: winds, tides, ocean currents, and weather systems miles away. Financial markets work exactly the same way. The price movement you see every day is simply the visible result of much larger forces operating behind the scenes. The challenge for investors isn't reacting to every wave, it's understanding the currents, and those currents are what we're exploring today. One of the most powerful factors affecting financial markets is interest rates. Few things have a greater influence on investor behavior than the cost of money itself. When central banks lower interest rates, borrowing becomes cheaper for businesses and consumers. Companies can invest more aggressively, consumers can spend more freely, and investors often seek higher returns by moving money into stocks and other risk assets. When interest rates rise, the opposite tends to happen. Borrowing becomes more expensive, economic growth often slows, and investors become more cautious. This is why financial markets pay such close attention to every statement made by central banks around the world. Closely connected to interest rates is inflation. Inflation represents the rate at which prices increase across the economy. Moderate inflation is often viewed as healthy because it reflects growing economic activity. However, when inflation becomes too high, it can create uncertainty and reduce purchasing power. Investors begin questioning whether corporate profits can keep pace with rising costs, and central banks may respond with tighter monetary policy. Throughout history, periods of elevated inflation have often led to increased market volatility because investors struggle to determine how businesses and consumers will adapt. Economic growth itself is another major market driver. When economies expand, companies generally earn more revenue, unemployment tends to decline, and consumer confidence improves. Investors become optimistic about future earnings, often pushing stock prices higher. During economic slowdowns or recessions, those expectations reverse. Businesses may reduce hiring, spending can weaken, and investors become more defensive. Market participants are constantly trying to anticipate whether growth will accelerate or slow down because future expectations often matter more than current conditions. Corporate earnings also play a crucial role. At its core, the stock market is a collection of businesses. Investors ultimately want to know whether those businesses are becoming more profitable. Strong earnings reports can send shares soaring, while disappointing results can trigger sharp declines. This is why earnings season is often one of the most closely watched periods of the year. Markets are constantly reassessing whether companies are meeting, exceeding, or falling short of expectations. Geopolitical events have become increasingly important in today's interconnected world. Elections, international conflicts, trade disputes, sanctions, and diplomatic tensions can all influence financial markets. Investors dislike uncertainty, and geopolitical events often create exactly that. A single policy announcement can impact supply chains, energy prices, currency markets, and investor confidence across multiple continents. Even events occurring thousands of miles away can have significant consequences for global portfolios. Technology and innovation represent another powerful force. Some of the largest market opportunities in history have emerged from transformative technological breakthroughs. The internet revolution, mobile technology, cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and blockchain innovation have all reshaped industries and created enormous wealth for investors who recognize the trends early. Markets constantly evaluate which innovations are likely to drive future growth and which may fail to live up to expectations. Perhaps the most underestimated factor of all is human psychology. Financial markets are driven by people, and people are emotional. Fear and greed have influenced markets for centuries. During bull markets, optimism can become excessive, leading investors to ignore risks. During bear markets, fear can become overwhelming, causing investors to sell even quality assets at discounted prices. Understanding market psychology often provides insights that cannot be found in economic reports or financial statements. Finally, liquidity acts as the fuel that powers financial markets. Liquidity refers to the availability of money flowing through the financial system. When liquidity is abundant, investors generally have greater capacity to take risks. When liquidity tightens, markets often become more volatile. Many of history's largest market rallies and corrections have been closely linked to shifts in global liquidity conditions. As we move through 2026, investors continue monitoring several key themes simultaneously. Central banks remain focused on balancing inflation control with economic growth, while global markets assess the long-term effects of artificial intelligence investments across multiple industries. Geopolitical developments continue creating uncertainty in certain regions, while institutional interest in digital assets and blockchain technology remains a growing area of attention. At the same time, investors are closely watching economic data releases for clues about future monetary policy decisions and the overall health of the global economy. These developments highlight an important reality. Markets are rarely influenced by just one factor. Multiple forces are constantly interacting, creating a complex environment where opportunities and risks can emerge very quickly. The first lesson every investor should remember is that short-term market movements are often noisy, but long-term trends tend to be driven by fundamentals. Instead of focusing on every headline, pay attention to the larger forces shaping the economy and financial system. Second, diversify your investments. Since markets are influenced by many unpredictable factors, diversification remains one of the most effective ways to manage risk. Third, understand that uncertainty is normal. Market volatility is not a flaw in the system. It is part of the system. Successful investors learn how to navigate uncertainty rather than trying to eliminate it. Finally, always remember that patience is one of the most valuable assets an investor can possess. Markets reward discipline far more consistently than they reward emotional reactions. When you truly understand financial markets, you begin to realize that prices don't move randomly. Behind every rally and every correction are powerful forces working together. Interest rates, inflation, economic growth, corporate earnings, geopolitics, innovation, liquidity, and human psychology. The investors who consistently succeed aren't the ones who predict every market move. They're the ones who understand the forces shaping those moves and position themselves accordingly. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which factor do you think has the biggest impact on financial markets today? Is it interest rates, inflation, AI, geopolitics, or something else entirely? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and join the discussion. And if you enjoyed this video and found it valuable, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next deep dive into investing, economics, and financial markets. Because the more you understand how markets work, the better prepared you'll be for whatever comes next. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.